The other important feature of the Boomerang language model is that it's cross-lingual. So for example, you can ask queries in English and get results in German back. And it supports more than 100 languages. So you can have all those 100 languages mixed into your, for example, if you're Amazon and you have reviews, those reviews can be in any language, and we can retrieve all of them. And actually on multilingual performance, we also beat Cohere and OpenAI. So orange is Boomerang, pink is Cohere, purple is OpenAI. And this is a cross-lingual benchmark where, as you can see, our model is performing better than Cohere and OpenAI. But we also compare our model to several open source models that you can, for example, download from Hugging Face, and which are actually much larger than Boomerang. So like ME5 base, mcontriever, UseQA, and we're also at least on par or beating them on